Jordan celebrates 4 decades of basketball heritage with the launch of the Air Jordan 40, a performance-driven model that blends innovation and legacy design cues. Created as a tribute to the line's 40th anniversary, the silhouette introduces advanced court technology while maintaining a look rooted in Jumpman history. This metallic copper edition features a shimmering coated synthetic upper with a smooth, paint-inspired texture that adds structure and durability. Black textile lining on the interior enhances comfort and helps manage moisture during play, while the tongue and midsole follow the same dark contrast for balance. Performance stands at the forefront with ZoomX foam cushioning, delivering lightweight energy return and impact protection. A full-length Zoom strobel unit provides consistent responsiveness underfoot for explosive movements and stable court feel. Finished with a durable rubber outsole for reliable traction, the Air Jordan 40 arrives spring 2026 with a retail price of $205 US.